Unleashing power on the go. Understanding power bank. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the place where English language learning meets practical everyday use. In today's video, we're going to unpack the meaning of the phrase, power bank. This term has become incredibly relevant in our tech-driven world, and it's essential to understand not just what it means, but also how it's used in everyday conversation. So, let's charge into it. A power bank is essentially a portable battery. It's a device that you can carry with you to charge electronic gadgets like smartphones, tablets, and laptops when there's no access to a power outlet. The phrase, power bank, combines two keywords. Power refers to electricity or energy, and bank suggests a storage place. Put together, it's a storage place for electrical energy that you can withdraw from when needed. Let's break down what makes up a power bank. A typical power bank will have lithium-ion or lithium polymer batteries, which are rechargeable and efficient at storing power. It will also have various ports for input and output, meaning places where you can charge the power bank itself and where you can plug in the devices you want to charge. Often, there are lights or a display showing how much power is left, so you're never caught off guard. In English, the term power bank can be used in several ways. You can use it as a noun to refer to the device itself, like in the sentence, I always carry a power bank with me. It can also be part of a compound adjective before another noun, as in power bank charging cable. In our modern age, staying connected is more important than ever, and a power bank serves as a lifeline when our devices run low on battery. It's not just a tech accessory, it's a symbol of our need to stay powered and connected at all times. The power bank is a modern-day solution to the age-old problem of energy supply and demand. The invention of the power bank has had a significant cultural impact. It's featured in discussions about technology, travel, and even emergency preparedness. The term has become part of our global vocabulary, understood across different languages and cultures as a must-have gadget for people on the move. And that's a wrap on the meaning and use of power bank. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel more confident in understanding and using this term in English. Remember, language learning is like a power bank for your brain. The more you charge it, the longer it lasts. Until next time, keep learning and stay charged up for life's adventures. Bye for now.